Jordbro. See if I remember the way back. Yeah, I remember it now. No problem. It's easy. You should like always put on GPS, but it's no problem. I remember it now. You know what would be cool, you guys? Live YouTube truck driving. That would be freaking awesome. If I could take my phone, yeah, sure, I could take my phone and record with that somehow, like put it on a window mount. I know I can do that with the I bought a phone holder that can mount to that window mount, so yeah. Now, by the way, I'm totally empty. I don't even have any empty goods. That was a bit too close to that car though, but that's why I kind of drove a bit jerky, going up the sidewalk a little bit once there in the start of the video. But I feel a bit stressed today because I finally slept good. Yesterday I did not sleep at all, and today I slept really good, so I feel I have a lot of energy. And I was stressing a bit, which I don't understand why I did, and now I'm kind of stressed up and need to relax more, because as I said in my other video, you know, you never stress while truck driving. It's like the worst thing you can do, I think, in my opinion, because every time I stress I do lots of mistakes. So you just gotta work efficiently, I think. That's the way to do it. That old man was looking at me like crazy. Probably saw the GoPro strap on my head. Blekholmstunnel. Oh, you can drive down here to that tunnel. That's where they come from. Okay. Cool to film like a little bit the more narrower view, so you could see the views here. Or I don't know. God damn, that guy didn't want to let me in, kinda. Maybe I was going too slow. Okay, that's it for this little short video. I don't know why, but you know, I thought I'd do something different. A little short clip. I might as well have not been recording this, so here's like maybe a little behind the scenes of my recordings. I don't know, but thanks for watching, and please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and take care. See you.